something in the air. I breathe, I smile, I laugh, but there's something in the something in the air, something in the air, something in the air, something in the air. I smile, I breathe, I laugh, but there's something in the air. Something in the air. It's my new song, everybody. Something in the air. Hi, everybody. That's my new song, Something in the Air. And I'll breathe, I'll smile, I'll laugh. But there's something in the air. Everybody, get ready for a beautiful year up ahead. And I've been talking about and reminding everybody, please go out and vote. And it's an important time for our voices to be heard. Ladies, we know how to take care of our own bodies. Listen, everybody, till then, you count, you matter, stay in Brooklyn. Don't forget to vote, stay green, and you matter. Thank you so much, everybody, my fans, my supporters, my friends all around the world. Thank you so much. We're coming to you from Barbara Campbell Television, Be Live on Air, and this has been our show today. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you at the next episode. All right, everybody, for our digital content and our music, visit our website, and we'll see you on our social pages. Bye-bye.